Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Sorry about the delays on the videos. I've been pretty busy, but never mind, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect external speakers to your car radio. So here we go. So the first thing is we're going to have to find something to power your car radio, and what I have here is a laptop charger. It's the 12 volt DC charger, and this is what I'm going to use to power my car radio today. If you want to know how to do this, how to power your car radio with a laptop charger, if you go to my channel, it's the first video on my channel, and I'll show you everything on how to do that. So yep, let's get into it. First things, there's some things I need to clarify with you guys today, which is these wires on the back. And so I'm just gonna clear all of these out. As you can see right there, the red, yellow and black wires are obviously there to power the car radio, so you can just ignore those. These wires here, you're going to ignore these as well, and the only wires you're going to focus on are these right here, the matching colors. So you got two matching green wires, two matching white wires right here, two matching gray, and two matching purple right here. These are all the speaker wires right here, depending on what wires they are. So for example, these could be the left rear speaker wires, and these could be the right, like the right rear speaker wires, and you know, front left and front right, but that doesn't really matter. So the wires here, these are the front right. So this is the positive wire and this is the negative wire. The way you can tell, sorry, just let me focus on that. The way you can tell is that on this wire right here, there's a black line going straight through it. That is the negative, and because this one doesn't have a black line going through it, that is the positive. So now that we got all that cleared up, we can start this. So obviously you're gonna need a car radio. I picked this up from the Cash Converters down the road for 30 bucks. It's aux and FM radio, nothing special. And I got this old speaker here, very old speaker. Just got it from the garage just outside, and I had to rewire it because it's an old speaker. So you got the negative wire here because it's got the black line running through it, and you got the positive wire right here because of the red. So what I'm going to do now is just plug this in, and it should come on. There it is, it's on. Just the power button. There we go, it's on. So it's on radio right now. I want to click the mode button, change that to aux in. So what I'm going to do now is going to connect my speaker to my speaker wires right here. So again, one with the black line running through it, that's the negative. The one that has no line going through it is the positive. So you're going to need to connect the positive to positive like that, negative to negative. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back with you. There we go, I'm back now, and I've connected the positive to positive and negative to negative. Oh, that should be on and working. My radio here, volume buttons working, everything. Got the bass, put some bass on, treble, that increases the bass. Yeah, I think we're ready. Sorry, ignore that record in the background. So I'm just gonna plug my aux cord in right there. I'm gonna play a song for you guys just to prove that what I'm doing is nothing fake or bullcrap or whatever. Because there is a lot of videos out there that put out false information about these things. So I'm just gonna plug that in, and got my iPad here. Just gonna play a song right here. Yeah, so there we go. I heard you were leaving town. I thought I'd be the one to know first. If you have a minute, let me and see what's going on. Don't say it's nothing when it's gotta be something that's going wrong. Now let me explain what I don't know what to say, cause I don't know what the hell happened. I come in the house to try to work it out and talk you doing it packing. Fuzzy. Cause your suitcase, let me think straight. It could be the reason. Baby, talk to me, I'm almost out of time. I know you got 4 minutes to do what I gotta do. Prove to you that I will do anything. You got 4 minutes to say what I gotta say and make a stay and show you that I'm a so there you go. That is how you wire speakers to your car radio. So obviously by the 2 videos I have posted on my channel on how to power a car radio and hook up a speaker to a car radio, you can basically make your own home sound system if you really wanted to. So if there's any videos you want me to do on either car radios, I mean sound system setups, or like things to do with the speakers, amps, I don't know, that kind of stuff, just put it down in the comments and I'll get to it. So yep, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.